Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are doing well. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. First of all, please accept my salam. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sarwar Hussain, student of English Fantasy, batch nong 50, ID nong 1741. Today, I am here to share about the value of time. Time is the most important. Once it has gone, we can never get it back. You can earn money, buy things, but we can't never buy times. Every person has a limited amount of time. If you waste it well, you can do great things. But if we waste it, we may feel sad later. Many people think I have plenty of time and postponing their works. It's not a good. Time never stops. It moves forward every moment, like a following rivers. Wasting times means the right thing at the right time. A student who studies regularly will do well in exam. A worker work on time, be successful in their jobs. Time is also important for family, friends, happiness, learning new things. Every moment is valuable and focus on your goal made me every moment is meaningful. Understanding the value of time means understanding value of life. That's it. Assalamu alaikum.